to my roots. Oh yes, yeah, darling.
Gbogbo èèyàn wa a kí yín káàbọ̀ sí ilẹ̀ Oòduà, a kí yín káàbọ̀ sí ààfin bàbá wa ní ẹnu wa Ọọ̀ni Adéyẹyè Ẹnìtàn Babátúndé Àkàndé Ògúnwùsì Ọ̀jájá ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì. Ẹ máa wọlé o.
She says that you're welcome. This is the Enuwa Palace. It is the first palace ever in the world, and we believe that this is where let there be light happened, the beginning. This is the source of creation. So welcome to the Enuwa Palace. It's the home of the representative of Odudua, who we believe is the progenitor of all mankind. And this is his home. Please welcome. Come in.
Please subscribe to Ilegogo TV.
Iyàrá ìgbàlejò fún bàbá wa ní alákọ̀ọ́kọ́ tí àwọn àlejò bá ti ń dé tán ti kọjá ibodè tó wà ńbẹ̀, ibi báyìí náà máa wọlé sí. Bàbá máa ń gbàlejò nínú yàrá tó wà lọ́hùn yẹn, ṣùgbọ́n onírúurú èrò ibi yìí náà máa ń fìkàlẹ̀ sí kí bàbá tó pè wọ́n.
This is where Ooni would first keep his guests when they come, sometimes in case they have to have a meeting and he's meeting with other people. He has an inner room where he consults. Those places he meets only with people that he needs to see. Truthfully, you might make it here, but you might not make it there.
Yes.
Because there are certain people who have different means of finding out why you're here and what.
Ẹ máa wọlé o. Ibi tá dé yìí ni gbàgede tí a ti máa ń ṣe àfihàn ìtàn, ìṣẹ̀dá gbogbo ọmọ àgbáyé. Láti máa ń ṣe àfihàn ìtàn bí Elédùmarè ṣe dá gbogbo ilé ayé àti gbogbo ìgbésẹ̀ tí ó tẹ̀lé. Ẹ máa bá wa kà lọ. Ọ̀gbẹ́ni tí ó dúró yìí ni agbẹnusọ gbogbo àwọn ìtàn tí ó wà níbí báyìí. Ní àsìkò tá wà, wọ́n wá ṣe àwọn àlàyé kọ̀ọ̀kan fún wa.
My name is Lawal Kazi. Okay. Thousands of awards have been given to His Imperial Majesty, but we display few here. We have both national and international awards, including the key to the city of New Jersey, which was given to him June 10, 2016. Yeah. This is one of the Ife gemstones. The name is Smoky Quartz. We mine it here in Ile-Ife, and we have all these mineral resources in abundance here in Ife, and it's worth millions in stone market. Yes. This is Obalu from Gogodin, the fourth Ooni of Ife, who lived for 2,200 years and reigned for over 400 years on the throne.
Please subscribe to Ilegogo TV.
So actually he didn't die, but he transformed into a bronze figure. So we believe he's still alive. That's why anytime they elect a new king here in Ife, the new king will have to go to Obalufon's shrine to pray that may he live long and reign like Obalufon Ogudin. So, and this is tourmaline, but we got this from South Africa. These are our own samples here. The one we mine here in Ife, these are our own samples. But when we compared the one we got from South Africa with the one we have here in Ife, we discovered that our own is more valuable than what they have there. So you can see we have different samples of the stones. So we have the watermelon tourmaline, we have the carbotions, we have the smoky quartz, and everything like that. So we also have the raw stones here. These are the raw stones. The way we mine them, the way we mine them, and we got all these refined ones from the raw stones. So we got all this from here in Ife. Yeah, this is where we explain the three Ifes that we have. The first Ife was Ife Odai. Ife Odai was occupied by supernatural human beings. They all descended from heaven. So they are very powerful human beings that time. And they are not like the normal human beings like we are now. So what actually ended the first Ife was the Great Flood. The Great Flood that happened, like we read in the Bible during the time of Noah. So the same thing happened here in Ife. So those that, some were wiped away while some survived. Those that survived the flood, they formed the second Ife, which is Ife Oyelabu. So it simply means the survivors, those that survived. While Lagbo means is the name given to the disaster that happened during the first Ife. So here, during the second Ife, to bring it, that was when people conspired against Olodumare. So they decided to build a tower to meet Olodumare. That was when Olodumare changed the means of communication. And that was when migration started. So the first migration started here in Ife. Because we have different means of communication. Why those that are speaking other languages, they migrated. So while the Yoruba speaking people, they formed the third Ife, which is Ife Akonlubebe. That's the present Ife we are now. And that was when expansion started. So during the first and the second Ife, there was no leader. But here in Ife Akonlubebe, people were clamoring for king. So that was when Olodumare sent Oduduwa. He happens to be the first Ooni of Ife. So he actually met some people. He wasn't the first person in Ife. He met some people here in Ife, but fate decided and he became the first Ooni of Ife. So we have the country.
Sorry, if I would add something again, just for us to link it, because of where you're coming from. He described 3 points of creation. He said, 1, creation to Noah. He said there was a flood and destruction. Noah to Christ, and Christ to present day, the day of civilization. So, still, we're all telling the same story.
Please subscribe to Ilekoko TV.
Back to my room.